Hello everyone. In this session, we'll be learning how to find duplicates using conditional formatting. So for example, here we have taken a table where you can see few of the contents in the column E, that is table column. We can find there's a duplicates. Say for example 789 and say for example 456 and 123 etc. So how to easily find out when there is a huge number of data, say for example 1000 columns, 500 columns etc. So simple, you have to select the column where the duplicate values are there. Just go to home, conditional formatting. There you can see an option called as highlight cell rules. Means here in this option we will be making Excel to highlight with certain condition. So what is that condition? You can go right at the last, you can see duplicate values. Click on that. So you can see already it has highlighted the duplicated values. Just click OK. You can see the column with the duplicated values, that is duplicated cell that contains a duplicate value, has highlighted with a particular color. So using sorting or using filters, you can identify and filter out this data. So by this, using this option, when there is a huge duplication in your data, when you are, say for example, you are copying month on month the sales data of a particular agent. So accidentally, if you have copied extra data into a same cell, you will be easily able to identify whether a duplicated value you have copy pasted which you has already pasted earlier. So this option can be used in multiple ways. I hope this session gave you a fair idea about conditional formatting for identifying duplicate values. Thanks for watching.
If you like the video, then share and subscribe. Detail Excel course link is in the description.